The second workout, we're going to look at inverse proportion. That means when one item goes up, the other item goes down. If I look at question 1, t is inversely proportional to n. So if I look for the first part there to write an equation connecting t and n, t is inversely proportional to n, so I write t, little fish, 1 over n. That's inversely. I can now change that so that it becomes t equals k over n, where k is my constant. So I now need to find that constant by substituting in the two values that I know. T equals 30, n equals 5, which gives me a value of k is 150. I now substitute that into my initial equation, so t is equal to 150 divided by n. I can substitute my values in now. If n equals 10, then t will be 15 is the answer for B. And for C, when t is 25, I need to rearrange my equation a little bit here. I need to multiply both sides by n, then divide both sides by 25 to get a value of n of 8. For the second question, the number of days D to complete research is inversely proportional to the number of researchers who are working. If the research takes 125 days to complete with 24 people, find out how many people are needed to complete it in 60 days. If we go back up to the top. So D, the number of days, is inversely proportional to the number of researchers. So D will be equal to the constant divided by R. If I substitute in my two values, 125 and 24, I find that the constant will become 3000. If I substitute that back into my initial equation, D equals 3000 over R, and this time round, if the number of researchers is what I have to find, and the number of days is 60, I need to multiply both sides by R, divide both sides by 60 to find the number of researchers I need from this occasion will become 50.